Welcome back, Last Quest Barbecue Show. It's an exciting day. My custom blocks have arrived. So the backstory behind all this, I was at Matt Pittman in Watchahatchee, Texas, Meat Church 10th anniversary block party, and I saw the Rosewood Block Company. They had a nice booth, and I met the founders, Tyler, Kayla, and James, their marketing guy, and we started chatting. I said, hey, would you do a custom board up for me? And maybe something more Canadian than Texas. I've seen these boards used by Meat Church, Matt Pittman, and also Smokin Joe has one for Texas, him being, of course, in Waco, Texas. Shout out to Smokin Joe and Matt Pittman. So anyway, I ordered some. I always had the ambition to have some nice boards to cut with our logo. Maybe one day I'll even sell them. Shout out to the great people at Rosewood Block Company, particularly Sarah, who helped get these across the border, worked through some movement of the goods things. Anyway, it all came together. Probably 14 weeks, but craftsmanship takes that kind of time. The process they go through is incredibly detailed. Without further ado, and there's been much ado, let's get to the big unveil. Just arrived by FedEx all the way from Arkansas. Let's take a look. All right, and we're going to be very careful, of course. You know, my vision was to have my logo, Last Quest Barbecue Show, on some of the blocks, but I wanted something custom. I love their Texas flag block, and they were explaining to me that it had a white food-grade epoxy in it. All right, there we go. So you are seeing these the same time that I am seeing these. So this is fun. Let's put this away. Let's see what we got. Like I said, these people clearly know what they're doing. All right, what do we got? I ordered up some oil. Check this out. Rosewood Block oil, board oil, private label cutting board, seals and restores cutting boards. There you go. Love ordering products from North America. This is American made, as you know. I'm a big fan of Canadian and American made products. So, you know, the Yoder, the Crown Barity Canadian made, the Yoder American made. So big fan. Lots of paper. This thing is rock solid, well packed. It's a little bit like Christmas. It's Christmas in September. Opening these up. Got that. All right. This is basically the tomahawk board, and it's thick as heck, like a tomahawk steak. Woohoo! All right, there we go. Check that out. Rosewood Block Company. Look at the size of this thing. Look at that. Rosewood Block Company. And there it is. Last Request Barbecue right here. Beautiful. Well done. So well done. With Flaming Man right here. That's fantastic. Love it. Man, it's solid like a rock. It's fantastic. All right. Food grade white epoxy. Love it. Item number one. Now this one I'm particularly excited about because it's custom. So this is inspired by the Texas version, which is a Texas flag. And I said, well, that'd be great if we could do so 2 different types of wood with the Canadian flag and my logo. Just to be clear, there's no other board like this one. This is it. This is custom and only exists. Let's take, oh, looks pretty good. All right, the big reveal. Hit that, oh, it's beautiful. Look at that. Look at that, that's beautiful. 2 different shades of color here. Let's take a look. Look at that. Ta-da, look at that board. Fantastic. Just amazing. So now this is the smaller of the boards. They have a bigger board. This one is a little smaller than you might see the Texas board because I wanted it to fit on my stage here. And so I measured, and this was, I think, the brisket block. So it's a little smaller, but it's, hopefully, we'll get this off and we'll see if it fits perfectly. Look at that. Just beautiful. Awesome. All right. We're off to a great start. Now, there's another couple of boards in here. Now, these are more, how do we say, everyday cutting boards. They're kind of an off-the-shelf with my logo put in them. Let's take a look. All right, so there we go. Look at that. Lasered in, Last Request Barbecue Show. So this is kind of not ordinary, but kind of an everyday cutting board. It's beautiful. This is lasered in just perfectly. They nailed every piece of it. And I got 3 sizes of these. Look at that, beautiful. There we go. Smaller version. You know, I'm always, if you've been watching the show, my cutting boards, you know, one of them I'm just gonna completely throw out. It's got cracks in it. I'm sure the food can accumulate in those cracks. 2, look at this board. Beautiful, once again. Check that out. And 3, basically the same thing but smaller. All right, there we have it. Number 3. Ta-da. Check that out. Beautiful. All right. If you like these a lot, let me know. I know where to find these, and it's a lot of work to get them done on my end. It's a whole lot of work and craftsmanship on their end, but these might be a great, great addition to an upcoming product line. Look at that. It fits just perfectly. Look at that. Sits right there as a presentation. Just fantastic. All right. Fantastic. All right, look at that. Very nice. Very nice. Thank you, Rosewood Block. Whether I do it this way or this way, depends on how I'm cutting. You see Rosewood. Oh, Canada. There we go. All right. Thanks to everybody at Rosewood Block. You're going to be seeing a lot of these on the stage, on the shows. You know, it's a big moment for the show because now we got some great stuff. So thanks again to Rosewood Block for being such craftsmen and patience and working through. It's great to meet y'all in Texas. Tyler, Kayla, James, and Sarah. Once again, thanks for helping me do all the paperwork. All right, tune in again. We're going to start cooking with these things.